All right, the second half of epic proportion is now here. The second half is underway. Vamos! Physicality that it brings, and it looks like Canoe FC NXG will really need to climb back from this. Ah, look out for the long ball. Save! Lewis hit it went wide off the pipe. No goal. A long field. Oh, and Melza Souza was there. My goodness. Green light in by Zaid. Right through the ref's leg. Here is Idris. Movement. Nice Idris. Oh, nice maneuvering. Ah. Almost pull out the ice skates on this. Ah, great. A goal kick. Look out for a long ball again. Look out for a long ball. Watch him, watch him, watch him. What's the 1-2? Oh! No! A tap it in front of the net, and it's 2-0. So much for my falafel machine. And it's a next for me! Now it's 2-0 for Fake Taxi. And so much for my falafel machine. And they celebrate the second goal. It's the flying old goals all over again from a month ago. This is unbelievable. Ay, 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 ay. Get back out! And Zane, and then Sebastian. And Christopher. And here's Idris. Crossover. And Sadri pass here for Christopher. Christopher to Zaid. Fakes it to Kevin. Oh, that's blocked again. Rebound kept in by Christopher. Still in. Hey! Ref! Come on, Ref! What the barnacles? And now Christopher is down. Ref! Oh my God, Ref! This really sets the tone for what Bobby Chen is going to see about this. Bobby, if you're watching, tell me in the comments below, was that a foul on Fake Taxi? This is unbelievable, man. And look how he was out. Oh, how did he keep that in? My goodness. Bobby Chen, on the previous play, if you're watching, tell me, was that a foul on Fake Taxi? Because Christopher was decked and nothing given. Please leave a like and a comment for Bobby Chen if that was a foul on Fake Taxi. Kevin from a shot! Oh my! Rebound, Melda Souza fires! That stopped too. It gets greasy. And was Idris watching in disbelief. It seems from Jam Sports Leagues. Wow. It's no ordinary Tuesday league like this. And the chippiness of high stakes. Not if it's well done. Green lighted by Christopher. Look out! Save Lewis! He's got to get it quick. Yeah. Come back. 75 for Mel and then Christopher. And then Mel to Souza with a twist. Oh my! How in the world they could marry one again? It just feels like it's just not there. And Bobby Chen knows it. Green light in by Zayd, knocking it away. Idris will have to say about the foul that Christopher took earlier. Say, Bobby Chen, was that a foul? Please leave a comment if that was a foul on the fake taxi. And definitely it should have been a red card. Please leave a like and a comment for Bobby Chen. That was definitely a red card, in my opinion. Drop your opinion in the comment bar below today. And because of this, it's 2-0 for fake taxi. And this is getting a little bit too unhazy. Easy, Sebastian, easy. Turn, Chris. Hey, again. The second time that's been seeing here. Whoopsies. Everybody from the co-ed league. Whoop. And here is A moving up. Around behind. Fires. Oh, we won it into the other net. Oh, oh boy. What's the log? What's the log? Oh boy. Settle, boy, settle. What's the middle? Oh, nothing. Boys, stick. Wait, boys. Oh boy. Craziness aplenty. Easy, Christopher, easy. Touch. Hey, Rev! Again! It looked like for the previous possession that it wasn't called for the previous possession. Bobby Chen, please leave a link in the comment, like before the second goal that happened. Was Christopher fouled? And that should have been a red card, right? Leave your comment below. And here is Amel D'Souza. Oh, green lighted by Sebastian Rosas. And Kevin takes the seat. Hey, oh, what a green light in by Zayn! Wait, what? Wait, what? Bobby Chen, if you're watching this, leave a comment below. Was that a foul on Zayn? I don't think so. Please leave a comment below. Yeah, Bobby, please leave a comment below if you're watching this. That was definitely not a foul on Zayn. Exactly. And even David West. Please, Bobby Chen, leave a comment down below. How was that a foul on Zayn? And tell me, was that a foul or not? For the previous possession. Oh! Green lighted by Kevin. Oh, not again. Oh! Side netting, no goal. There are nerve-wracking moments on the defensive end for Canoe FC where they... And Christopher. Talk. Nice. Maneuvering in faces. And here's Miguel. Nice pass. Oh, my days. It could not have come any easier for Mel D'Souza. And because of this... Idris, get ready. You're on now. What's the log? What's the cutscene? Body, pick up on a yellow jersey. Hey, there's two. Oh! Well, good play by Sebastian Rosas. And a green lighted by Idris. He's crunching. And it looks like... And then Uzi. And a centering pass from Mel D'Souza with the right foot. He's got to control it. Oh! I think he loved to have that back if he kept the line in play. Because the measurements have set centimeters for it. Boy. What's the front? Oh! Green light in by Uzi. Oh, look. Oh, great play made there by Zayn. People are scrambling around the net. And here is Idris. You just beat. Nice pass from Mel D'Souza. Oh, boy. Green light in by Mel. Oh, great. Green light crunching it. No. Oh, great. This is unbelievable. Green light in by Zayn. Save made there by Lewis. And here is Zayn. And here is Miguel. Looking for crossovers. Centering pass for Idris. They need two. Idris sends it long to Christopher. Centers. Miguel. Idris. Christopher. Hey! Oh boy. Yes! Now they need something. Here's Z to Christopher. Centering pass. Oh, but Miguel had a great opportunity. Oh my days. And Z. And Lewis. And Uzi. And then Miguel. And Mount D'Souza. Hey! Yes! Another foul on fake taxi, 2 in a row. And they're going to argue. Let's move for him, let's move! And Henry pass for Zayn with a crossover, cross it. Oh! How did I stay out again? Oh, get back! Oh boy, it's a 4 to the other way. Get back! Oh! Again. Nothing! Move! No, it's out! Yes! Too many drops where Hobby will mention. Hey! Yes! Again! Well, this is unbelievable. Now Zayd's down. Oh boy. And Miguel. This is exactly what Mel D'Souza has been mentioning about too many turnovers. Let's move! And Christopher. Oh boy. Oh! Oh, green lighted by Uzi! Oh boy. Get back! Yeah. There's ball. Drop ball out! Get the ball out! Oh boy. Oh, great play made there by Zayd. And people are still around the net. Watch the floater! Where my? Oh my. There is Zayd. On a good ball. And here's Kevin. Hey! Oh no, that's not good. Oh boy. Oh, Kevin's down. Oh boy. Is that a non-contact injury for what Mel sees? Oh, wait, it's a free kick for Canoe FC. Wait. Oh, great. They're giving the ball to Fake Taxi. They're giving the ball right to him. What's the long and the right? Boys, cover up. Oh, my. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh! Green light him crunchingly by injury. No! Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Out! I can't believe what I just saw. Oh, stay! Oh! Great play by Uzi. Oh, boy. Out! Green light crunching hit by Zayd. Oh, boy. And now Zayd is slowly getting up. Oh! Thank you, Zayd. And a good ball. Robbie got run. Huff and puff. Oh, where am I? Green light in by Christopher. He wins the position. Hey, the tug of the jersey. Hey, ref! Oh my day, green light. No! Oh, I don't think Christopher doesn't like the call, and now things are getting quite heated of an extra sriracha. Look how it's right. Look how Mel knows about how spicy this one is. They're more of a scorpion pepper. Everybody station on the yellow. Oh! Look how this one. Great play by injuries. Says not on that station. And look at what off a fake taxi, and he did. And Zane. And Miguel. Center bounce. Oh, and Kevin knows it. To the dismay of what Bobby Chen looks on.
Come on, boys, come on.
I can't believe it. Fake Taxi has doubled their lead. What the long? Green light in by Uzi by the corner. The back pepper up. Green light cracking it by Zane. And kept in by Idris. And Miguel's huffing. And yes, Canoe ball. Christopher knows about some fouls that he took. It's huffing and puffing out here.
Come on.
Come on, let's release. As Mel mentioned as well. Green lighted by Sebastian. Hunt, puff. Oh, easy, Uzi. Bad.
Meg.
Yeah.
Meg. Miguel.
And Mel D'Souza. Oh, nice pass to Lewis. Hey, ref, time. Not gonna answer that one. Hey, ref. Oh, boy. Oh, great ball, Mel D'Souza. Easy, boys, easy. Oh, hey, ref, oh, boy. Zay lost the ball. Oh! Green lighted by Zane again. Position. Oh, what a move by Mel D'Souza. Crushingly. Hey! There you go.
You got the easy ball there.
Time.
Use that again.
Oh, 5 minutes. Miguel, 5 minutes. Yep, 5 minutes left, boys. 5 minutes left for the ref point. Here is Zane. Fires it. Rebound. Oh, that's blocked. Right at 5 minutes, and the fake Taxi player is shaken up. Oh, look, speaking of the goals here. Oh! Wait, what? Oh, Christopher, you mentioned about the goals have been. Oh, look, it was an own goal, but the fake Taxi keeper again. What is going on here?
Guys, step up.
There's 4 minutes left, boys. Oh! No! Great play by Sebastian! What a defensive play! Quilani! No! Not again! Hey, pick up a yellow! At least we got a good break there. Sebastian deflected it away. Oh! Great play by Sebastian! Bobby, if you're watching, take a look for the second half highlights and tell me, Christopher got fouled and there was nothing given. Please leave a like and a comment if that was a yellow card for fake Taxi. Oh! Error, even a red card. And here's Zane, huffing and puffing. And here's Zane, huffing and puffing. And Mel D'Souza. Time, boys, talk! Oh boy. Under 3 minutes left to go, boys. Huffing, track back. Oh, look how Sebastian. Oh, look how this one. Oh, great play by Sebastian, and it went right through the crease. 2.5 to go. And Zane. And Uzi.
Miguel, come out wider. Come out, Miguel, come out here. Miguel, come out here.
And Mel D'Souza. Uzi lost it. Look out, Zane. Fake Taxi has won it. They have won 4 in a row at the end of a 2-game winning streak for Canoe FC and XG. Unbelievable, man. This is really disappointing again from the Ethio legend. No wins since last Thursday. Really disappointing, man. Really disappointing. They nearly had a draw 0-0, but now it's Fake Taxi taking a 2-0 win. My arm's really gonna be sore after this. And there goes my falafel machine as well. Happy holidays, or whenever you celebrate the winter break. I'm out of here from field letter B of Lamport Stadium. Goodbye, good night. And Fake Taxi has won it 2-0 discreetly, with Christopher having a word with the Fake Taxi player. Really disappointed from the legend again. I'm out of here and goodbye.